Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Node.js in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Node.js. You'll be getting the official download link over here. Just click it, and here we can choose Node.js version. This is the latest version 22, and if you click this drop down, you'll be able to see the older version of Node.js. Just leave the rest to the default options, and if you scroll down, we'll be having the MSI installer as well as the zip file. Just click on this Windows installer and the download will be getting started. It is about 29 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and you'll be getting the Node.js setup. Click on next and select I accept, next, and this is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, you can just click on the change button. So after selecting the destination, just click on next, and these are fine. Click on next and click on next again and select install. The installation process will begin now. Yeah, the installation is done. Click on finish. Now if you go to your command prompt and run the command node space hyphen version, we'll be getting the node version 22, and also run the command npm hyphen version, we'll be getting the npm version also. And if you just type node and hit enter, you'll be getting the node shell. So we can just go here and type 3+4, we'll be getting the output. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming, APIs and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.